cooking with kids, hey? They are familiar with cooking as part of a family activity that we do together. So we wanted to just encourage that for you mamas. Amira, back here please.
Playing schools, and this is our cooking class.
Today we're going to cook a simple bolognese, but really flavourous. We're using pork and veal mince. It's really tasty and it's a lot leaner than beef. So we put 2 kilos in there now. That way there's heaps to go around. It lasts for ages and you can freeze half and put the other half in the fridge. Are you mirroring the game? So keep mixing it around until it goes brown. So we're going to pour in the diced tomatoes in there first. And then the garlic as well. So Logie can do the garlic. Yeah? Just not yet, though. Do you want to try mixing this a bit more? No?
That's yours.
Let's chuck that in. And Logs,
We're chucking the tomato in now.
So what is it? Diced tomato?
Is it? Yeah, diced tomato. We're putting in the garlic. What is it?
Yeah.
That's disgusting. Looks like vomit. No, it looks like... I don't know.
So 1 tablespoon of garlic per 500 grams, I reckon. So we just put in 4. Now we'll mix that all around. See how you go with it now. Alright, I'll mix it in more. Now with this herb and spice mix, it's like an Italian herbs mix. It's got onion, like dried onion in it. To put it in Pete's words is we need a buttload of this. So we've made up the Italian herbs mix and it's probably like a good cup. You're going to pour that in there now, Mary?
Yep.
Pour it in.
Lloydie, do you want to pour it in? I'm Mary.
Oh, you're Mary. We've got mixed frozen carrots, peas and corn for extra veg, and we also have these fresh zucchinis from Nanny's garden that we're going to pop in there as well. Our peas, corn and carrots, probably about 2 to 3 cups depending on how much vegetables you want to load with it. Now you can pour those in for me.
This one?
Yeah.
Both?
Yeah. They're all nice and tomatoey.
Pasta hata or something. Pasta hata.
Pasta hata, alright. Pour the Italian pasta hata.
What is it actually called?
Pasticcia. Pasticcia.
You guys see another pasticcia. Italian pasticcia.
Pour it in.
Whee! And the next one
Right,
was Italian pupa.
Oh, this is looking so good. Should we show the mamas out there? I'll grab the camera.
I'll
Do it
grab
up close. No, I'll do it.
I want to grab it.
Mary, mate.
Unplug it. I want to take it.
And people are laughing.
Really?
Laughing at us. Right,
Hello.
this way, that's a selfie. Have a look. Oh, it's looking so good. Now just stir it a little, Mary. Okay, so now we've got to put a buttload of salt in there as well. Probably about 3 tablespoons. Or salt to taste. Mix it in. Mix it through.
I want the blue one.
Mix it in. Gentle. All around like this. You're splashing it everywhere. Oh, thanks, Lois. So, put one hand here and one hand around. Yeah, don't be so rough. Gentle. Otherwise, you flop it everywhere. Look at all that.
Oh!
Ah!
Still not working.
Alright, some pepper to flavour as well. the girls reckon they don't like flavour, but they don't like pepper, but they love this bolognese. Good.
Okay.
Now we're going to let that simmer and cook. But that's pretty much ready now. And we want to be careful not to dry it out with all that sauce and overcook it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've just put the heating down to about 3. I'll just let it sit there, simmer for a little while, soak up all the flavouring. But that's done. Easy as that. Like I said, big and bulky. And then you can freeze half and put half in the fridge ready to go. Put them in individual containers, especially if they are at home right now. From tomorrow onwards, today was a bit like get my head around this. Tomorrow onwards, I'm going to be making them make their own lunches like they normally do in the morning. Just like school and just like routine, trying to keep it as routine as possible. Thanks for watching, mamas. Hope this has helped, or I hope you've enjoyed it. You say bye.